Well, hi there, folks, and welcome to another Workspace Wednesday right here on Lean Strategies International, LLC, where we're starting our series on functions inside of Google Sheets. Now, functions are really cool. They all start with an equal sign. They're very simple, and they can help you calculate different things. So this week, we're going to kick off the series with the ABS function, or the absolute function. You'll see right behind me, if you're curious what an absolute number is, it basically returns a non-negative value without regard for any of the signs. So we're going to be using this in math classes and different modules and Six Sigma, all that sort of stuff. An example would be if you had a number 3, the absolute would be 3. If you had a negative 3, the absolute would also be 3. So a non-negative number without value. Well, Google Sheets can do this automatically for you. So you'll see we've got 4 values right here, and we're going to absolute those using a function. Now remember, all our functions start with an equal sign, so we'll go ahead and start that out. And for the absolute, we're going to put ABS, open bracket, and then we're going to select our value. So I'm going to select A2. Cell A2 contains negative 26, and then we can accept that. And we'll see that it will give us an autofill suggestion. Now these are all correct, but we're going to reject them for now. So we get the number 26, and that's correct. So let's try again. Equal sign, ABS, open bracket. We're going to select cell B or A3, return it, 3.68. Now, if we want to get this done real quick, we can grab this bottom corner, drag it down, and you'll see here's all of our absolute values. So that's how you can calculate your absolute value inside of Google Sheets using a function. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time right here on Lean Strategies International, LLC.